very good for welding practice because you can almost do any type of weld on a box. So that's what I'm doing today. So right now I'm just grinding the rust off this piece of steel with just a flat disc on an angle grinder, and then I'll cut it with a chop saw, and then after that we'll weld it together with my MIG welder. So let's get started. So we're at the cutoff saw. Oh, it's pretty windy. Well, the cutoff saw, and I have a aluminum oxide blade, and we're gonna cut these pieces. So the montage is gonna start right about now. So this is the box. Still pretty warm. Let me take that all off. So this is the box. It's still pretty warm, but it is good for any welder, any beginner welder to make. Even an experienced welder, it's good to use. It just hones your skills, and you can practice whatever weld you want on it. It doesn't matter. So, thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a nice day.